Hi, this is Andy Matsuda. Today is people hungry all the time. So making something we have leftover. All right, we have okonomi flour. And I have a cabbage, I have onion, eggs, I have rice, and other sauces. Very simple item. So what we do for 1 cup of flour, I have eggs, 1 egg, and I need water. Just enough so probably about half a cup to start. Looks like a pancake condition, should be good. We're trying to do a Japanese is our mottainai, is no wasting. So whatever we have in the refrigerator, we're just simply cooking, and we use that. So we chop a small portion. And I have a little bit of onion. With the onion, we have this one too. People say also like a style, just a simply mixing technique. So we do cabbage. The mixing those items just a little bit. I do 2 spoons here. And then to the oven, I'm gonna oil, and a small portion I do, and simply grill. Not big one, small one. Okay, so this is okonomi, but you can do a shrimp, pork, anything you have a leftover, should be fine. You can do beef if you want, should be good. At this time I have just a vegetable. You can use white peppers, a little bit of salt. Okay. So a lot of people are starting to go out as a hungry people. You get your feed them nicely with using for some leftover, something you're in the refrigerator. Could be ham, sausage, cabbage, veggie, whatever you have. Okay, a few more minutes. So now I have classic whole sheet of seaweed, and I have rice. If you have a rice leftover one, put it in the microwave. Should be fine. Greens, mayo, and okonomi sauce. Bring a little top also we do. And a little more okonomi sauce. A little bit of mayo. And rice, more rice on the top section. So it looks like a sandwiches. Now I have half sheets. All right, now we need to wrap. And complete wrap. Rice bowl, onigiri style. Okay. And another one. Okay. And one seaweed rice. Mayo. Tonkatsu sauce. And here. More okonomi sauce. More mayo. And rice. Seaweed. And wrap. And tie it up. Okay, this one is called, people do onigiraji. Onigiri is a nigiri, but it's not much nigiri. We do this way. You're bringing this condition, or you will eat it. Right now, we do for cut it in the middle. Okay, do here. Get your little moistures. Okay, cut. Okay. A lot of seaweed is good for you. Whoop. Easy, simple. There you go. Done.